than what the Coast Guard just did. Well, you can start training today at Laurel Highlands Aeronautical Academy, located right here at Arnold Palmer Regional Airport. LHAA is a full-service Part 61 and Part 141 Part 2 offering all types of pilot training. Multi-engine, complex, four-wheel, and flight instructor training units will all be out here with LHAA. You're already a pilot, you say? Well, Laurel Highlands aircraft are available for private rental as well as all certified pilots. LHAA has a total of 16 aircraft to choose from. 8 full IFR Cessna 172s, 3 Cessna 152s, 1 Cessna 172RG complex aircraft, and 1 Series SR-22 Turbo, plus a Beechcraft fighter aircraft engine, a Stinson Royal take off roll right now, the 172RG, also known as a Airshow. Now, Laurel Highlands strives to make good pilots, not just certificates. They are not a pilot mill. Here you will earn your pilot certificate. They train aviators. Part 61 pilot. However, Laurel is also a coastal regional level aviation academy. It goes to 152, that's your training airplane. LHA is partnered with both Community College of Beaver County and St. Vincent College to provide college degree programs in aviation. Achieve a 2 years associate's degree in professional pilot from Beaver County while flying in Laurel Highlands, or you can earn a 4-year bachelor's degree in aviation business management, professional piloting at St. Vincent College. There's the one subject with the full blast panel. They may be wondering, why do they use the full blast panel? Well, very simple actually, because this is what you're going to find in most modern jet aircraft these days. Full glass cockpit, big video game up front. So what better way to learn it than in a slower, more simple aircraft? Teach the student pilots the familiarity with the glass cockpit. It makes the transition to jet aircraft that much easier. And there's the compass. Notice, put on no wheels. 152 is being flown by Miles Stahl, a local guide from Armonk, PA. Miles came to LHAA from Westmoreland, Pennsylvania, where he once worked as a mechanic. After a career change and only a few years later, he flies before as a professional commercial pilot and flight instructor. Our second airplane is being flown by Michael Packer, that's the 172. He joined us from a faraway place of Derry, PA, and has dreamed of flying since he was a little boy. Mr. Cochran wants to wish his family well who are attending this wonderful event. And last but not least, it's the complex aircraft, the Cessna 172RG Compass. This aircraft allows a student pilot to fly an airplane with a multitude of new systems and capabilities to manage. While similar to the standard 172, the Compass offers a cabin that is 12 and 4 inches wider. Here comes Tom Richards with the B-40. It also has a larger engine and incredible distance to power, allowing the pilots to intelligent rapid flight. We've got numbers that can continuously fire the in a car. There's your 152. That's what you start out with. That is a very easy airplane to fly. I've got about 20 minutes in one, and I'll tell you what, there were no surprises. There was one, and that was that I slowed it down to 40 miles an hour, and it was still flying beautifully. My instructor leaned over to me and said, Eddie, don't you think you ought to lower the nose a little bit? Tapped on the airspeed indicator, and I said, yeah, maybe I should. Airplane and is suitable for cross-country with that full glass panel in it. The capabilities of the airplane are just incredible. It'll do everything to wake you up with a slice of pizza. Now the Cutlass, which is coming up next, is being flown by Jim Arnold, commercial pilot and school administrator for the Laurel Highlands Aeronautical Academy. Jim would like to say hello to his parents in attendance today. Hello, Mom. Remember how I used to rock the wings? For you back in high school? Hey, look at this, he's still doing it. So whether flying for pleasure, business, or training, Laurel Highlands Aeronautical Academy can provide all your aeronautical needs. For any of their please come visitors in the great polo shirts. They will be more than happy to answer any and all of your questions. So what do you think? You want to learn to fly? You know, flying a light airplane is pretty easy. If you can drive a car, you can fly an airplane. Here's the 152 on the ground. This is a training airplane. It's got room in there for you and your instructor. There are a bunch of these airplanes out there. These and the 172s, very common aircraft. I believe the 172, they built over 10,000 of them. So it's hard to go to an airport and not see one. The 152, quite a few of them out there. There are people out there who are taking these airplanes and they're modifying them a little bit, giving them a little bit more horsepower. They're better flying at high altitude airports. It is a neat airplane to fly. Very simple, very honest, very forgiving. Next up is the 172. That too is a very easy airplane to fly. You got 4 seats in that airplane. Having been a back seat in one of these when my brother and his instructor were flying around one day, it is an enjoyable flight. Right up to when my brother tried to land the airplane. The 172, I believe they're still in production today, if I'm not mistaken. And there are plenty of shops out there that can build an older 172 and upgrade them. There you go, Cessna 172, very easy to fly, very forgiving, and also fairly serious cross-country airplane. I can think of somewhere I'd like to go right now with that airplane. I could pile into that, I'd head right down. Where would I go? Where else? Elizabeth City, North Carolina. Like I said, I got friends down there, and family. And here's the Cutlass, the 172 RG. The RG doesn't stand for really good. What it stands for is practically good. You know, one of the things that the FAA is doing right now that is being worked on